lovelies. Welcome to Happy Muncher. Happy New Week! I'm super excited because today I'm visiting one of the most famous restaurants here of a famous YouTube vlogger. Now this person has been traveling around, indulging in the most amazing cuisine all over the world, and they have a restaurant here in Thailand, and this person loves spicy food. So the restaurant is a perfect example of the kind of food that he loves. So let's go check it out, guys. And wow, it's really noisy here, like it's in the city center. So there's like a BTS station across here. But anyway, I'm gonna walk inside now and we are going to have lunch here and enjoy ourselves. The name of this famous YouTube blogger is Wiens, the one and only Wiens, who I've been following for some time because I just loved how he goes around the world enjoying amazing food. And yeah, I could learn a few things from him, you know. But anyway, he has a restaurant, an amazing restaurant, and I am going to try his amazing dishes right now, right this minute. So come along with me, my lovelies. Let's go explore Wiens' favorite dishes. Wow, this is the restaurant. Already you could see he is into like spicy food so much. You can just see with this little cartoon on this glass door, like fire and a piece of chili. Let's look at the menu. So we serve stir-fried basil. So their food is stir-fried basil. And yeah, they're open from 10 until 7 p.m. So this is just like how spicy the food should be. So you have to choose how spicy you want your food. You can go to non-spicy, very less spicy, medium signature, and very spicy. So guys, this is the menu right here. So they have different protein, which is like chicken. Oh, they also have vegetarian chicken, pork, sour pork, beef, wagyu shank. Okay, I don't know what that is, and squid. So they serve this with rice and plus fried duck egg. Wow, this is amazing. And the name is Phed Mark. Phed means spicy, guys. So he literally puts the name Phed and Mark at the end, so it's spicy Mark in a way. And they only specialize in one meal, which is called Phed Kra Pao, and it's rice. You have protein with a mixture of chili, spices, garlic, and yeah, a fried egg on top. So I am going to enjoy myself today, and I love this little cartoon here on the glass. So let's try it, my loves. Let's go try it. It's just a tiny little restaurant and there's a lot of people inside already. Anyway, let's just go in and enjoy. Hi, can I please have the beef?
Beef?
Yes.
Spicy level.
Less spicy.
Less spicy.
Yeah.
And a drink?
The water.
Water?
Yeah.
So one beef, less spicy, one water, 174.
How much?
174.
So guys, this is my total spend. of my food here in Wiens restaurant. So I paid a total of $174, so that's gonna be about $5, because I also got like a bottle of water because I don't know how spicy the food is. But yeah, that's how much I spent. Now I'm just waiting for my food. Can't wait to dig in. So like on the table here they also have like extra chili. Oh my god. And apparently this one is more spicier. So they have green, red and garlic mixed over there. So yeah. So my food is here, guys. It looks so beautiful, so colorful, and what I love is this egg right here. Look at the yolk, it's so jelly. They didn't overcook it. So, and I think like they fry their egg whites, that's why they look golden. And this is beef, and as you can see the chili is out here. Oh my god, I'm so nervous to eat this because I do love chili, but I don't know how spicy this is. Anyway, yeah, I'm about to dig in and enjoy. Let's eat, my lovelies. I chose less spicy, but you can still taste the spice. And I'm glad I got water because wow, so good. What I love most is that they're very generous with the portion, so it's definitely a good meal to eat and be satisfied. The food is really good. Like, this is minced beef, and yeah, once you put that egg yolk and mix it all up with the rice and the chili and everything, it's just authentic. I just love the taste of spices that are in here. Very, very good. This is the egg white, the fried one. Let's taste. So crunchy, absolutely delicious. I'm like sweating because it's too spicy. I ordered less spicy, but I don't know how Wiens handles the spice because yeah, it's really kicking. Okay guys, I am done eating and I really enjoyed the food. Wiens has been someone I've been following for some time. I'm a big fan and I've just been inspired by him traveling across different countries and indulging in different cuisines. And today I'm happy that I got to taste his dishes firsthand in his restaurant here in Bangkok. Do make sure you visit it and also bring cash. They don't have card machine, so you have to pay by cash. And yeah, $10 is enough. So you come here and enjoy the food. If you love spicy food, this is the place for you to be. I really enjoyed my food and I will definitely have this food again. Anyway, it's time for me to head back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this channel so much, don't forget to add it to your watch list. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know on the comment section below what you think about my videos. If you've been to Thailand, don't forget to make recommendations of places to go to. From me today, it's all what? Love. Toodles, toodles.